Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn flakes. First, select high-quality corn grits, which are essential for achieving that perfect texture and flavor. Next, you'll need to cook these grits thoroughly until they become soft. This step is crucial for easy flaking. Finally, we'll prepare to roll these softened grits into their characteristic thin shapes. To cook your corn grits, combine 1 cup of grits with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Add a small pinch of salt for flavor. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 20 minutes. The grits should become tender and absorb most of the water, preparing them for the next stage. Once your cooked grits have cooled, it's time to create the flakes. Use a rolling pin or a pasta maker to flatten them into very thin pieces, ideally around 0.5 millimeters thick. Spread these delicate flakes evenly on a baking sheet. Then, toast them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. For that classic corn flake taste, you can lightly sweeten your toasted flakes with a sprinkle of sugar or a drizzle of honey while they are still warm. Once completely cooled, store your delicious homemade corn flakes in an airtight container to maintain their crispness for several days. And hey, if you're looking for more great tips, check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.